Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cybertruck 2 unveiling. I love you too! Trucks have been the same for 100 years, until today. It is my honor to introduce to you and the world the Cybertruck 2. It's super tough. The exoskeleton is really hard. It is so hard. And we're going to show you just how hard it is. This is a normal car. This is the Cybertruck 2.0 with the exoskeleton. Whoa! Holy! Now, let's see if it's bulletproof on the regular car. Not surprising, not bulletproof. Now the Cybertruck. Bounced right off. The Cybertruck 2, completely bulletproof. But what about the glass? Let's do a test with that. Here is a ball bearing going at a regular car. Not bulletproof. Here's a similar ball bearing going at the Cybertruck 2. Completely bulletproof glass. We even added adaptive suspension. Oh, and we made an ATV. Thank you! Let's change the world!
This episode is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN protects your online activity, but it also helps you unblock blocked content. In a lot of countries, you can't get on certain streaming services that you can here, like Pandora, Spotify. They're not available in every country. So if you're traveling to those countries and you want to use those services, you can use NordVPN to route into a server in a different country that it is allowed in, like the United States, and then you can listen to the music wherever you want all over the world. For a lot of my vlogs, I'll insert little pieces of movies or funny shows into my videos just in places I think it's funny. But a lot of the sites you need to download the movies from, like YouTube, they're blocked in the United States. So what I'll do is I'll log into Mexico or Canada or a place where it's not blocked, and then I can download those and put them in my videos and make them funny. Nord has thousands of super fast servers in over 60 countries, and they have 24/7 customer support with live chat and emails. Let's see, we could go to the United States, or let's log into Portugal. And just like that, we're connected to a server in Portugal. For a limited time, when you purchase Nord's 2-year plan, you will get an additional month for free and a surprise gift. Go to nordvpn.com/DemoRanch or just use code DemoRanch. And it's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. nordvpn.com/DemoRanch or just use code DemoRanch. All linked in the description below. Thanks to NordVPN for sponsoring this episode of Demolition Ranch.
Welcome to Demolition Ranch. Before you, I have a Zenith Firearms Tedna 12 gauge. This is their double barrel coach gun, short barrel. Good news, the stock is beautiful. Walnut, just an immaculate finish. Bad news, I put a bunch of screws in the other side of it. It's actually California compliant now. It's a new law they have. You have to have screws on the side of it so you can't actually aim. It's gonna stop a lot of crime. And the purpose of this is, we can't do custom shotgun shell videos anymore. That was kind of my thing back in the day, was making custom shotgun shells where we'd get random ammunition and put it in shotgun shells. We did thumbtacks, we did Skittles. It was crazy. YouTube said, no, 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 no. And they said no more making custom ammo, even though our custom ammo was probably less deadly than actual factory ammo. So I thought a way to get around that would be not to make custom shotgun shells, but to just stuff random junk down the barrel of the shotgun and watch it fly out. So that's what we're gonna do here today. I'm glad you came. Whoops. First up is just some crinkled up confetti paper. We're going easy first. You know, we just gotta kind of ease back into these custom shells. No, this is not custom shell, YouTube. It's it's just a barrel obstruction, which those actually one of those got demonetized too. Dang it. This is just a confetti. It's a confetti trick. It's for New Year's because we love the New Year, and there's no reason to demonetize New Year's celebrations. Right, YouTube? So not custom shotgun shells. They're gonna be totally stock factory shotgun shells in a totally stock factory shotgun with some confetti loaded in. We're gonna load around in the confetti barrel. We have a string tied. I'm gonna go get behind cover and we'll see what our confetti shotgun can do. Confetti shotgun, firing. I couldn't see anything really, but it flew out. We have confetti back here on the ground, even way back here. It worked, just didn't work well. And the barrel is totally clear. We're gonna have to step it up. Next up, we're just gonna shove some flour down in this thing. I'm not actually sure if it's going in there. Yep, both barrels are totally full of flour. Okay, I'm just trying to shove it back in there this way. I'm a little bit worried. I'm gonna get a stick and push it all the way down in there. This could work. Yeah. What do you guys predict? Will the shotgun blast? It's gonna have lead BBs flying down here, hitting that. Will it explode the barrel? Or will it just shoot it all out? And if you think it explodes the barrel, will it explode the barrel next to it too? It's only gonna fire through this one, but will it mess up our second barrel as well? I don't know. Okay. We are ready to fire. Let's do this. Flour, firing. I can see flour in the sky. Totally clean barrel. Not bad. And I saw flour going everywhere. So, let's step it up one more time. Oh, let's get back to the show. How about Halloween colored pony beads is what they're called? I don't know. But it looks like they would be funny going down a shotgun barrel. We're gonna fill up this barrel with pony beads. That is what they're really called. Then I'll clear out, there's no live round in there, so I'm gonna clear out space for a shell to be down there. So this will be completely full of these beads, and I think it is right now. I'm actually kind of worried about this one because they're jammed like really hard. I was trying to clear them out here and they were like stuck. They all just like wedged in there. Might blow a barrel on the third test. Nice. Pony beads. Firing. It did work though. I saw it hit that cedar tree there and the gun is not exploded. Is the chamber and barrel clear? Yep. Okay. I'm impressed. Let's make it worse. Salt and rice. That didn't sound good. We clogged it. So, what happened here is the salt and rice plugged up our barrel, but it wasn't enough to explode anything. The barrel still looks fine. So now, we gotta see if we can get all the salt and rice out of the barrel, which is gonna be tricky. It is so hardly packed. There's all the salt and rice totally jammed up. It is so hard. Fire another one down the barrel. That's not gonna work, but try. I wasn't planning on using this one yet, but sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures. We have buckshot. This is 9 pellet, 1,425 feet per second, double-aught buck. Fire in the hole. Firing. Oh, she gone. Oh, yep. That's a problem right there. Dang. Okay, so is the barrel clean? Oh, it's opening. We might have just killed the shotgun, guys. Barrel's clean. Will it close? Will it fire? We might still have a shotgun on one side. Actually, both sides still could work because it's only broken right here and it definitely dented this barrel a bit. It ripped off the entire rib that was on the top of this with my sight and everything. It's gone. Where did it go? It probably just took the end of that barrel that way. Cleared the obstruction though, so that's good. Just reviewed the footage to figure out where this was because I was looking over there. Footage says it went this way somewhere. If I was something big and black and hard, where? No, oh, hey, cut. Found this. That's the sight rib there that was in between the two barrels. It's 15 feet back and to the right of the shotgun. Now, where is the barrel? She gone. Can't find her. We got this. I think we're just gonna use that same barrel again. We got laundry detergent this time to kind of clean everything, you know, because we sort of made a mess. Smells so fresh out here. Barely even going in. Nope. It's definitely going in. All right, I'm gonna fill it up, throw a shotgun shell in there real fast. Barrel's full. Let's do it. I see laundry detergent in the air. Shotgun still works. Oh man, so fresh. All right, now that our barrel is clean and good as new, hopefully. Oh, look at it. It's got soapy bubbles on it. Ugh. I know what everybody came here for. They came here to see the hot dog in the barrel. My hot dog's too big for this barrel though. Like, just the girth of my hot dog is too big. So I had to get my knife and shave my hot dog so it fits in the barrel. This barrel's sharp now too. I hope it doesn't cut my hot dog that I just shaved. Soap lubed up our barrel for the hot dog to enter. And now we shall fire the hot dogs off. Sorry, Mom. In the comments down below, leave your best hot dog and a shotgun barrel joke. Firing. Yep, there's your problem right there. Barrel is just kind of slowly working its way back, but still looks like it would fire around. And yeah, totally clear. We're good to go. Next up, Gorilla wood glue. I'm just gonna fill up the whole barrel with wood glue, ideally. Barrel full of wood glue. Yeah, it's a bad idea. Okay, we let this set up for 2 days. Oh, I meant 2 seconds. Still fired out. It hit the tree on the other side. It looks the same and totally empty. Crazy. That was one I did not know if it would really push all that glue out. But it did, which means we can put something worse in there, I guess. Spray foam. So just go right down here. So as you know, spray foam starts as liquid and then it just turns really big into foam. And should clog the entire barrel and dry really quickly. Got one extra thing added on there. Okay, fire normal. Oh, it looks so cool. We found the lid. It felt like 15 seconds after the can exploded. That was crazy. Okay. Let's check out this shotgun barrel. I have a feeling it may not be clear. Oh, it's beautiful through there. That is a beautiful bore. Amazing. Why did we do this? This is a big mistake. So I was gonna put markers in it, but the markers were too big to actually fit down the bore of a shotgun, so I just took the ink packs out of them. Just gonna fill this up with those. This is the right barrel, which we have actually not fired yet. Okay, that's full-ish. And for the left barrel, we just had another thing of syrup. We just keep finding this stuff in the woods. I swear I'm not buying this much syrup for those of you up north. Okay, and we fill her up, boys. Oh yeah, drink it up, drink it up. It just killed my GoPro, which was really far away. It must have got hit by something. And markers. Oh, I see marker strands falling from the sky. Everything looks the same. Ugh. This thing's like gluing itself together. I don't want to touch it down here. It's so gross. Ugh. Moment of truth. Oh, it's sticky and the edges are burned. Clean, clean. Okay, that's it. I'm not messing around anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this shotgun off. YouTube probably just demonetized it because of that. These are precision copper coated steel BBs. Let's go ahead and fill her up here. Oh, look at it sticking all that. Ugh, it's so gross. So we're just gonna fill that side up. We'll fill this side up too. Yep, there you go. You like that. Oop, that one's full. And that one's full. We have 2 barrels full of BBs ready to fire. This is BBs firing. Uh-oh, maybe we killed the shotgun so bad. BB number 2. That shot them all out. What the hell? That's so loud. Dang. Impressive. Totally clear. And I heard everything flying this way. The other thing that's really impressive is all the stuff that is stuck in this tree. Like that marker strand right there, and right there, and right there, and right there. Let's get my hand gross. No, already dried. Sweet, my hands are already gross. I was looking for BBs and I see all these little orange things. Those are those beads. They just exploded into a million pieces when they flew out here. Crazy. I don't see the BBs though. I heard them. They went everywhere. Found one. There's probably hot dog all in these trees. Birds are gonna love it. Going back to the salt. Screw the shotgun. Acting all tough. How about a little syrup with your salt? Firing. This is it. Dang it, it shot everything out of it again. Dang. I know a lot of you guys are kind of bummed that like I was mistreating a perfectly good gun in this episode. I'll make it up to you. Next time, I promise, we'll do something nice with guns. Maybe just like a really like informative review or something. And I'm actually gonna take this gun home. I'm gonna polish it up, get the old rim oil out, CLP, see if I can get those scratches out of the wood. So I'm taking care of it. Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Contact! That's a great idea. What about the quad hawk? No, don't move, don't move. Bobby? I'm a doctor. Ish. This is a normal car. Wow, that was actually really hard. This is a normal car. Jeez. I need Kentucky Ballistics to come back